Hello, in this tutorial I will demonstrate Estonian Nupps. Nupps are clusters of loose stitches picked up from one stitch. In the next row, these clusters of stitches are purled together and treated as one stitch. 7 stitch nupps are worked in this design. Follow the pattern until the nup. Now we arrive the stitches we need to do the nup, and to do that, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, into the same stitch, and keep the stitches loose. Work in pattern until the next knot and follow the pattern. Now I'm going to demonstrate the knot to create a knot again. And on this stitch, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. Now we have 7 stitches for the knot, and continue in pattern and finish the row. On the wrong side, we are gonna purl these 7 stitch clusters together. Here you can see these 7 stitches. Now work until the knot. When you arrive these clusters, insert the needle into this 7th stitch and purl them together. And tighten up a little bit, then continue until the next knot. Here we'll complete the knot again. Insert the needle into this 7th stitch of cluster and purl them together very carefully, and do not drop any loose stitch. Tighten up and continue to work in pattern until the row finish. Here you can see the nupps clearly, and this is 2 rows of creating knot, then completing knot tutorial.